So I'm going to try to solve this one. It says given triangle RST with SR congruent to ST. So this is congruent to this. I'm thinking isosceles right now. And then it says TE is perpendicular to SR. TE is perpendicular to SR, so that's this and this are right angles. SD is perpendicular to RT, so that's, yeah, these are perpendicular. ER, so here, I wanna focus on this. ER is this. Times SD is this. I'll use a different color for that. SD is this. Okay, SD is this. It looks the same. SD is this, and then TE. I'm gonna guess TE. Yeah, so, right. So there's that triangle right there, and then times DT is this. Okay, so here are the two triangles we want to focus on. So we have this triangle right here. Okay, we have that. And then we have this triangle right here. Right, so we want to show two angles and these two triangles are congruent so that we can say that they're similar, and then do the two steps to show that these multiply. Alright, so we have right angles, right? This angle and this angle are right angles, so they have to be congruent. What else do we have? Yeah, because SR is congruent to ST, because it's isosceles, right? So this has to be congruent to this. Okay, this is why if you separate out the triangles that you want to focus on, it makes it a lot easier. So let me just write this. This is RET, and then this is DST. And then I'll just label the two triangles so it's easier later. I'll do RET. So RET is similar to triangle. Single angle, right angle, no angle. Single angle, so it's T. Right angle is D. No angle is S. So order matters. Alright, let me type this up now. So I have okay, I have a bunch of givens. Okay, so I already typed it up. So then here we have this. I guess I want to deal with the perpendicular stuff. Yeah, just to get it out of the way. So remember, whenever you see perpendicular, next thing is you want to show that they're right angles. Usually there's two, and then you want to show that right angles are congruent. Okay, this is always the pattern. So I'm gonna just write, and remember, I can pick. There's like 4 right angles here, but I want to pick the ones that's gonna help me. So I'm gonna say angle RET is a right angle, as well as angle SDT is a right angle. Okay, and then yeah, this would be perpendicular lines form right angles, and then the same thing for this one, just to that. Okay, and then we have angle RET is congruent to angle SDT because all right angles are congruent. And then we have the isosceles triangle thing. So we can say angle. I'll just say angle R is congruent because there's no actually. Maybe I'll say the whole thing. TRE is congruent to angle STD because angles opposite congruent sides are congruent. Right, and then now we have angle, so we can immediately say triangle. I already wrote it. RET is similar to triangle TDS because angle, and then we can do right here the ER over TE equals DT over SD. Right, I'm just kind of dividing both sides. So ER over TE is equal to DT over SD. This is why you want to analyze everything before you write it down. So yeah, this is going to be the previous thing, right? If this is what your teacher wrote. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. And then you got to do one final step because the question says ER times SD equals TE times DT. And the final step, this is what your teacher wrote, in a proportion. the product of the means equals the product of the extremes. That's it.